Disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and it has nothing to do with black magic. In fact, it's quite the opposite. With that being said, let's begin. Kabbalist Tree of Life is something that is derived from Jewish mysticism. It was made with the help of rabbis and Hebrew Bible and some alchemists. Now, those of you who do not know what alchemy is one of the oldest sciences, if not the oldest science. It is the study of elements, oracles, and symbolism. Well, back to this map. This map represents 10 individual divine attributes that we humans represent in our anatomy of the soul. Now, it starts from the bottom and it goes upward like this. Okay, so starting off the base kingdom Maluch, it represents our sexual organ. इंसान होने के बाद we are either male or female. That's our identity next to being a human being. And to control that energy is the first basic principle of reaching spiritualism, or you can say it is the first step towards spiritualism. It represents striving for something, achieving something, while moving on upwards. Yasud foundation, which is said to be at our stomach, it represents sloth, matlab, the ones who only consume. वैसे तो it represents selflessness, loyalty to your goals, बट इस वक्त मैं इनके ऑपोजिट की भी बात कर रहा हूँ. इफ़ समवन डज नॉट कंट्रोल देयर डाइट, उनको अपने लस्ट पे, खाने पीने पे काबू नहीं है, देन दे आर डिफीटेड एट दिस स्टेज. दिस इज़ द सेकंड स्टेज. ये सेंटर वाले जो 5 पॉइंट है ना, दीज आर रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. Okay, moving on to splendor, Hud. This is said to be devotion towards your Lord, thankfulness toward your Lord, and being grateful. Next, we have Natzak, which is victory. It is about daring and being persistent at one thing and forcefully achieving your goals, basically. Next up, we have beauty, Triferet. It represents the heart of human being. इसमें हमारी नीयत आ जाती है. इंसान की नीयत क्या है, क्या कहते हैं इस स्टेज पे. ये हमारे मैप का सेंटर पॉइंट है जो हमारे दिल पे आके बनता है. एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट्स बैलेंस, लाइफस्टाइल, empathetic towards other human beings, and being harmonious. Well, moving on, strength, Giberet. It represents being cautious, power, and your seriousness, what you're capable of achieving. Well, moving on, we have Chesed, mercy, which is being optimistic and maybe you can say sociable, generous towards others. Half of them are, इनमें से जो आधे symbols हैं, they are for oneself, कि एक इंसान को अपने लिए ये करना चाहिए, और आधे symbols हैं कि दूसरे इंसानों के लिए क्या करना चाहिए हमें. Well, with that being said, then we have knowledge, thought. It represents this part, our neck. So basically, it is said to be your vocals, what those speaks of. आप किस तरह की बातें करते हो. It represents your attention, your morals, your principles, and your intents. Next on, we have Bina, understanding. It is the logical, analytical, and organized part of our mind, which बस इतना ही है इसको लेके. Then we have Chokma, wisdom, which is said to be the second last stage before reaching the crown. It represents transcendence, creativity, and ideas. And finally, we have crown, the Keter. After mastering all these nine of attributes, divine attributes, one is said to reach the crown. And crown is when you become one with the divine and you understand that nothing really matters. This is the stage जिस पे monks वगैरह meditate करते हैं, you can say. So this video was only for educational purposes. I do not encourage you to believe in Bible. ये जो भी इसमें से लिखा है ये इन चीज़ों को पढ़ना. We are just seeing something with a broader perspectives and studying something. That's it for today, and yeah.